Jenna Ackerman. I'm the founder and co-owner of Coffea Rosterie here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We have 3 operating cafes right now, soon to be a small 4th. But we do full espresso bar, we roast our own coffee, so we offer wholesale coffee as well to other cafes, restaurants, offices, that sort of thing. Coffee comes to us with kind of this certain amount of what it can give us, and we're just trying to basically not ruin it. Like trying to pull that out and trying to make it into the best expression of what it's capable of being.
My name is Andrew Fritz. I am the head roaster and green buyer for all of our cafes. Our approach is to buy coffees that are well sourced, well grown, ethically sourced and ethically grown, and sustainably grown and sourced. So my job is to take what a farmer's done and all their hard work and something delicious they created and just show it for what it is.
This business has made me realize that I'm passionate about coffee, but I'm more passionate about the relationships, the people, building the community, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. You know, at the end of the day, it's about how we're being a positive influence.